my name is Abby Moore. I'm a program assistant here with the Adrienne Arsht Latin America Center. And today we are having a Café con Gabriel Zinny.
Hi, Abby.
Welcome, Gabriel.
Thank you.
Gabriel is Managing Director at Blue Star Strategies, President of Cuepa.com, an education website, and our very own Senior Fellow for Social Entrepreneurship here at the Council. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Abby, for having me.
Let's start with the basic question. What exactly is social impact investment, and why is it important in Latin America?
We think it's important because the government has been facing challenges in Latin America to provide better services to the citizens in terms of education, health, and many other ones. And we were seeing in other countries like the US how the private sector has been involved in investing on companies, on entrepreneurs that have an impact, a social impact in improving the lives of other people, improving public policy. And there's not a debate about that in Latin America. And we thought here at the Atlantic Council that was important to raise that issue here in Washington among policymakers, investors, multilaterals, government officials, how the private sector can have a role in working with the government, improving aspects of Latin American public policy that need much more quality, again, like health, like education, like environment, like poverty alleviation. We need new players, new providers, new models to improve those sectors in Latin America. And we thought that a combination of the private and the public sector could make a big difference, a big impact.
Okay. And you recently started the Social Impact Investment Initiative here at the Council. What is the ultimate goal of this? What have you guys done so far, and what are the plans for the future?
We want to raise a discussion, a debate about social impact investment in Latin America among players in Washington and players in Latin America that are involved in this sector. So it's investors from the private sector, multilaterals, governments, agencies, cooperation officials, people that are trying to make a difference and perhaps can benefit from having new models and new ideas about this in Latin America. So the goal is to create this discussion, create a group of people interested on these topics in Washington. There's not other think tank or place where you can discuss this today in Washington about Latin America, and also try to inform about what's going on in the region. We are coming up with a paper in a few months, like a kind of state-of-the-art paper about how is social impact investment happening in Latin America, who are the players, who are the investors, who are the entrepreneurs getting involved in this sector in the region.
And you mentioned starting a policy dialogue that really doesn't exist in Washington. If I'm a policy leader here in the United States or even in Latin America, why is this important for me to pay attention as opposed to other development policies?
If you're a policy, that's a very, very good question. If you're a policy leader in the US and you're not looking at Latin America, probably this is not up to your alley and this will not be interested. But if you're working in policy issues related to the region, I think it's important because we are stagnant in many debates in Latin America about how to improve education, for example, how to improve health, how to alleviate the poverty. We have been growing in Latin America the last years at 4 or 5%, but we still have challenges in terms of providing better human capital, more competitiveness, more productivity in the region. And I think that if you are a policymaker and you are interested on that, this could give you the opportunity to learn new models how to do that.
Okay. Well, Gabriel, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Wonderful, and thank you all for joining us on the Latin channel. We'll see you next time.